Hello and welcome guys, welcome back into Logic Design. In this lecture I will explain how to convert from decimal number to octal number. Let's consider 175. In order to convert it to an octal number we start dividing by 8. So 175 over 8 you get 21 as a quotient and a remainder of 7. We take this quotient, then divided it over 8, we get 2 and a remainder of 5. Then we get the 2 divided by 8, we get a quotient of 0 and a remainder of 2. Once we reach a quotient of 0, we look for the remainders. The remainders are 7, 5, 2. These are A0, A1 and A2. So in order to read this number, we have to start reading it from A2, A1 to A0. So the number in the octal is 257 in octal number, which is 257. In order to convert a fraction number from decimal into octal, we do the same procedure, but instead of division we do multiplication or by 8. The same will happen, but here we have an integer and a fraction part. We will take the fraction part and multiply it again to reach a fraction. Once we reach a fraction of 0, we stop the multiplication and we rearrange the number from A1 to A2 here. So the number 0.3125 in decimal is equivalent to number 0.24 in the octal. So guys, if you are interested in this topic, subscribe my channel, like the videos and share it with your friends.